Does Scotchgard Fabric Water Shield Do-It-Yourself Protector work as good as or better than what the pros use? Will you decide? Here's our test.
We're here today to do a side-by-side comparison of this Scotchgard Fabric Water Shield Do-It-Yourself product, you can find in retail stores or we have a link below, versus the professional solvent-based fabric protector that we use all the time out in the field. We follow the directions from both manufacturers, and we've put 3 light coats of each. The far side here is the Scotchgard from this can. This side is the spray that we apply to either new upholstery, new draperies, or recently cleaned pieces. It's important that if you're going to use this product or any protection product, that the piece be clean first. We're going to do the test. And we're going to basically flood this with a little bit of yellow dye to mimic body fluids from your dog or cat, hot tea, hot coffee, and plain water. We're going to see which one repels better. And we're coming right back at you with this test.
Make sure to stick around for the very last clip. We think you'll find it surprising.
We're going to begin the test. Let's start with plain water, regular tap water. And actually, to make it more interesting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this strip off, which the fabric under this piece of painter's tape has not been protected at all. Okay, so we have the do-it-yourself Scotchgard, the professional version, and in the middle, nothing's been done. So we're going to tilt this a little bit. We're just going to cascade water over. See what? Well, not bad. Both of them repel water. If you look right in the middle, I'm sure the camera can pick it up. It's wet. We see water bubbling here in both sides. Looks like a pretty good test for water. Shake it off. Most of the water fell to the ground. Now we're going to try some black tea. We're actually going to hold the tea bag. And I'm going to cascade some black tea over the Scotchgard side. Not bad. Again, 3 coats. The professional side, because we want to make sure that what we're doing is working. Not bad. Not bad. I'd say that actually the Scotchgard beat the professional version. That's a good sign. And this, we all know what this is, pet accidents. Not bad. Again, I'd say that will be equal. And then here's the true test, hot black coffee. Keep in mind the coffee and the tea are both hot, and that's critical test. Room temperature or cold beverages are much easier to cascade off a protected fabric. The hot beverages can penetrate that surface tension that these products create. So let's see what the hot coffee does. Scotchgard, not great, but not terrible. Professional, again, I put a little bit more on this side, the professional side, but I'd have to give the test, I'd say out of 5, I give this a 4-star, and maybe this side a 3-star, based on what we've done for the test. And keep in mind that these protectors, whether it's the professional version or the do-it-yourself version, are not only to make the immediate spill cascade off and make it easier to blot up, but a year or 2 years after you apply these protectors, it should make the fabric, in this case, this is just a cotton painter's top that we bought at a hardware store. It's to make those pieces easier to clean, meaning make more soils come off when you have these pieces professionally cleaned. We appreciate you watching. Questions or comments to see if you agree or maybe you disagree. Maybe you have different results with this product. Again, Scotchgard Fabric Water Shield. Leave the comments below, leave your questions below. We do a lot of testing on Scotchgard products. If you have one we haven't tested, if you know of one, you're curious how it works, let us know. We'll get the product, we'll test it out. Also, if you like the video, appreciate you giving us a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe if you can. Hit the little bell and you'll be notified when we upload another video. Thank you for watching.
We were interested to see what would happen immediately following the test to spray the whole fabric off. This is a cotton painter's top with just plain cold water from a garden hose. And it turns out the results were pretty good. After it dried, there was no remaining stains. Overall, we're happy with the results, and we have definitely give maybe 4 out of 5 stars for this particular product, the Scotchgard Fabric Water Shield Protection.